Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Myself Shreyas. Today in this video we'll see how you can configure a Twilio with the LiveKit account. So LiveKit is basically a framework, open source framework where you can develop a voice agent with the minimal cost without any platform fee. With the three components basically, with the text to speech, speech to text model and your LLM. With these three things you can make a voice agent with the telephony integration like Twilio. In India we have Plivo, Exotel and many more SIP trunks providers as well. So you can configure the LiveKit with the SIP trunk provider which you want or which you want to purchase as per your recommendation, and you can go with it. Okay, so let us go to the screen and let me first create the account for the Twilio. I will type Twilio. Okay, then we are going to create a trial account, and with the help of trial account we are going to hit a call on our phone. Like basically we are going to do outbound call with the trial account itself. You don't have to pay any money for phone numbers and account. After going inside the Twilio console, after verifying my number, you will get this kind of dashboard. Basically you have to choose the options like what kind of business is this, and you are a developer, so I will click on developer role. And how do you want to build with Twilio? With code, with minimal code. Then what do you want to build with Twilio? So you can click whatever you want as per your need, and I want it for my voice, so yeah, let's go. Then here you have to first do to buy a phone number, so we'll go and buy the phone number. Inside the phone numbers you have to click manage. Inside the manage, click on active phone numbers. Then here you have to buy a phone number. It is a free, basically you don't have to pay any money for it. Twilio offers a one phone number free for trial account. So I will click here voice. Then you have to search for United States phone numbers. Then I like this phone number, so I will click here buy. Then I will agree the terms and conditions, and I will click on buy. So yeah, you have purchased a phone number basically. Then you have to go inside the active phone numbers. You will see that phone number over here. Yes, you have successfully purchased the phone number. So after purchasing the phone number, you have to go inside the search and you have to create a SIP trunk. So I will type ELASTIC, elastic. Then go inside elastic SIP trunks. Then you have to create a new SIP trunk. So we are going to create a new SIP trunk for this. I will give the name as Shreyas. So we are going to create this SIP trunk and we are going to connect or configure this SIP trunk with our LiveKit account. Okay, so this is our SIP trunk SID, secure tracking, call transfer enable PSTN transfer, click save. Then you have to go inside the termination. Then inside the termination you have to create a termination URL, whatever it will be. You have to give the name. I will give the name as a Shreyas. Then you have to create a credentials over here. This is one of the important step. I will click and create a credentials as Shreyas, give them a name. Then I will give the username as a Shreyas, and password, you can give any password as per your need. So click on create. So let me just store this password in the notepad basically. Okay, so yeah, let me just copy and paste it over here. Yes, this this is the password and this is my username. Okay, so yeah, click save. Okay, let me just give the another name, Shreyas. Okay, yes, you have successfully created the zip trunk. Now let me just go inside the organization. Let me check the organization URL created or not. Yes, the organization URL created. Let me just go inside the organization, and you have to create a new organization zip URL. So for this you will need a LiveKit account. So we'll go inside the LiveKit account, or we'll create a LiveKit account. I actually have account, so I will try to open it. It's very easy step. You have to create a LiveKit account and create one project inside it. You have to click start edit building. Then you have to go inside the zip trunks option. Then copy this zip URL. This is our organization zip URL. So you have to copy this and you have to go inside the Twilio account. Let me just go inside Twilio console. Yes, just paste this URL and just give this priority as 1 and wait as 1 and click add. Okay, then you have to add the phone number, our existing phone number, which we have added currently byed. So I will click here and add selected. So you can see we have successfully selected our phone number. Okay, then our zip trunk has been created successfully with easy steps. So now we have to configure this zip trunk with our LiveKit account. Okay, so see, you can see over here we have successfully created our zip trunk. You have to only copy this termination URL. Okay, let me just copy this, and you have to go inside the LiveKit account. After going inside the LiveKit account, you can come inside the zip trunks options, then create new zip trunk. You should give the name. I'm giving the name as Shreyas. Then you can click for outbound calls, because we are basically creating it for the outbound calls. So now here in the address you have to paste that link and termination URL. You have to click this TLS as a transport service. Then you have to get the phone number which we have bought from the Twilio account. Let me just go inside the phone number. Yes, just copy this phone number and paste it over here. Make sure there should be no any spaces between the phone numbers. Yeah, in the optional settings you have to give the username and password which you have copied. Okay, so this is my password. And my username is Shreyas. I remember it. Yeah, click on create. See, the zip trunk has been successfully created for the outbound calls. Now you have to copy this trunk ID only. So I have copied this trunk ID. Then you have to go inside the code. Now if you want this code, guys, you can comment below so that I can give you the code basically directly. So see, this is my code. So inside this code I will go inside the env.local file. This is a LiveKit code basically. If you want this code, you can comment down. Then I will click save. You just have to update this env.local file with the trunk ID and inside the make call.py you have to paste this trunk id which we have created in the LiveKit. Then after updating this trunk id and in the make call.py and env.local file, if you want a full LiveKit tutorial like what is a LiveKit, how we can create inbound outbound trunks, or what is LiveKit configuration settings, or how we can create a voice agent with the help of LiveKits, if you want all these details and all these tutorials, a playlist itself, so you can comment me below. I will create a full playlist of the LiveKit with detailed introduction of the LiveKit. Okay, so you just have to run the file agent.py for starting our worker. Then second file is handler.py. So let me just activate my environment. Now you have to run first a worker in your terminal, then second your file which is a call handler for creating a call. As you can see, the worker is currently running. Let us wait. Yes, as you can see guys, the worker has been successfully registered and started. In the another terminal you have to run a call handler file, basically this file, to make a calls. Okay, let me just activate the environment first and then you can run the file. See, I'm going to call this phone number, this is my phone number, so I'm going to call this phone number. Okay, then you can see call initiated successfully. Go inside this terminal. I'm getting a call right now. You can see the logs over here. See, I got the call. Now let me just pick up the call. Hello.
Hello, this is Ravi. Hello, this is Ravi from Vision Eat. Is this a good time to talk for 2 minutes?
Yes.
Thank you. I am calling from Vision IT. We sell refurbished laptops, desktops, monitors, and computer accessories. We help businesses, schools, and professionals get high-quality computers at low prices. All our products come with warranty and service support. Can you please tell me what kind of computer you are using right now?
I'm having a new computers right now, but I don't want to change it right now.
Okay, no problem. I will call you some other time. Have a nice day.
So see guys how you can create a voice agent with the help of LiveKit and Twilio with the configuration. So yeah, thank you so much for watching my video. You can like, say, share and subscribe to my channel for future updates AI related.